Normally, very gusto nila i-control yung tempo, slow down, but this time, this game, talagang pinupush nila ng gusto.
Mintis ang unang free throw ni Ali Pig, and here's Kid Lightning, Paul Artadi coming in for JJ Helterbrand, and Mark Kagiwa making his first appearance of the ball game. Ayan po si Aris Di Maonahan, napunta na siya sa Coca-Cola. He was sent over to Coca-Cola from Air 21.
Actually, siya, unrestricted free agent. No? Nilagay siya sa free agent list ng Air 21. Agad naman, pinick up nitong Coca-Cola si Aris Di Maonahan.
Although, kailangan talaga ng Coca-Cola ng isa pang totoong point guard because si Kabagdot nga, hindi pa siya 100%. We have a timeout. We'll be right back. Inside the big dog, si Sunday Salvacion, tampok sa ating TM3. Alit sa inyo ng bagong TM Discarte Sim. 30 pesos lang, may bagong discarte ka na.
Sunday, 5 points already. So far, sa laro natin na ito, Migo.
Part of that hot start by Ginebra. Pero sa ngayon, nakahabol na rito ang Coca-Cola Tigers. Open shot for Artadi.
Wide open shot from the corner para kay Paul Artadi. Missing it, no? Pero recently, nag-improve na rin ang shooting nito si Paul Artadi. Dati talagang iiwanan yan.
Meantime, here's Telan. Handoff para kay Durendes. Durendes still has the ball. Durendes twirls. And he got a foul.
And we saw Barangay Ginebra, Miko, half-court trap sila. Nag-trap sila sa corner, trying to force the action, up-tempo. But Coca-Cola breaking it with itong si Kenneth Durendes at the line for 2.
Pasok ang unang free throw for the former PBA MVP. Ito pa, isa pang dating MVP, Eric Meng, making his first appearance. So magkakasama na si Mark Kagiwa and Eric Meng kasama si Rives Macapagal and Artadi. Meantime, second free throw para kay Durendes is good.
At tabla na ang ating laro, 13 all.
So who can shatter the deadlock here for Ginebra? Here's Artadi. Meng against Peak. That was the marquee matchup. At may humawak doon kay Artadi. Si Tolomia tatawagan ng foul, second personal. At yan ang third team foul laban sa Coca-Cola. Here's Meng. Handoff Macapagal. Macapagal slices through, air ball. Diretso kay Mark Isip, who's in the ball game for the first time. Here's Di Maonahan. Di Maonahan, also a former Ginebra point guard. Here's Peak against Meng. Peak bounce pass, Isip. Isip loses the ball. It will go to Ginebra.
We can see, Miko, talagang gusto nila i-establish ito si Ali Pick, pero nagiging parang decoy siya so far, no? Good pass to Mark Isip, kaya lang nabitawan na niya yung bola ron. At sinasabi nga ng mga assistant coach, angat mo na kaagad when you get the ball underneath.
Here's Kagiwa. No dice. New look si Kagiwa. No headband. Here's Peak. This time operating from the left side. Durendes for 3. Patulis. Peak once again has the ball. Bago shot clock for the Tigers. Here's Peak. There's a double team, quadruple team. Isip loses the ball. It will stay with Coca-Cola.
And again, Nico, same thing. Primary option si Ali Peak sa poste. Kick out kanina kay Durendes. Nakuha niya ulit. Mark Isip missing the layup. Pati si Durendes. Nag-miss na rin sa ilalim.
2 attempts para kay Durendes at siya'y tinamaan sa braso ni Ronald Tubid. First personal para kay Tubid. At kanina pa na sa penalty itong Ginebra. Well, at least you know, and it's very clear that si Kenneth is very offensive-minded tonight.
Yes, he has to be, Nico, dahil looking for points. They're struggling for points, actually, itong mga Tigre. And so far, Durendes with 6. Doubling his average dito sa first quarter pa lang.
Lamang na ang Coca-Cola Tigers, 15-13. Here's Kagiwa. Kagiwa, ball fake. Kagiwa loses the ball. It will stay with Ginebra.
10 seconds shot clock. 10 seconds.
Coca-Cola, since yung start nilang medyo masama on defense, they have tightened up on defense. Nahirapan ng Ginebra makascore dito.
Here's Meng. You know, somebody pushed Nick, no? Kaya nawala yung balance niya.
Foul on Cesar Catley.
Yan, si Cesar Catley ang tinawagan ng foul is first personal. Yan ang pang-apat laban sa Coca-Cola. Sending Eric Meng to the line. Well, Ginebra on a drought here. 3.5 minutes, in fact.
Tuloy pa rin with that miss by Eric Meng. Finally scoring itong Ginebra.
Pero labang pa rin ang Coca-Cola, up by a precarious point, 15-14. Artadi kinukulit si Dimaunahan. 4 minutes remaining in the opening quarter. Catley on the right side, sending it to Peak. It's still Peak against Mink. And Peak twirls and misses. Isip again loses the ball.
Three times, ano? Ito si Mark Isip na libre sa ilalim. Not able to convert so far. At si Aris Dimaunahan na nagbigay ng onting pakilite dito kay Paul Artadi.
Kasi dalawa nang ngiliti kay Artadi. Si Isip at si Dimaunahan. Here's Kagiwa. Tried to send the ball over to Meng. Naagaw ni Peak. Peak bounce pass to Duremdes. Duremdes. Ay, hindi nakatingin si Mark Isip. Here's Artadi. Artadi on the move. Artadi scores!
Ang bilis doon, Migo. Get lightning talaga. Biglang nawala. Nilayap na lang doon. Artadi balik sa Ginebra ang kalamangan. 16-15.
Parang pa-off balance na si Artadi doon. 3:15 remaining in the opening quarter. Here's Dimaunahan on the right side. Catley bounce pass to Ali Peak. 10 to shoot para sa Coca-Cola. Ali Peak with nowhere to go. Natapik ni Holper. It will stay with the Tigers. Kanya lang, 6 seconds na lang natitira sa kanilang shot clock.
Again, the offense, Miko, ending up with Ali Peak on the post. Pero ang Ginebra, syempre, mag-a-adjust din sa play na yon. Actually, lumabas na si Peak ngayon. Mark Telan in different brand of game naman to para sa Coca-Cola.
Shot clock at 3 seconds.
So after that shot block, 3 segundos na lang matitira dito para sa Coca-Cola. Dimaunahan. Yung kanyang pasa, batik pang maagaw, and the shot clock expires.
24 seconds.
Tama yan, loose ball, so the shot clock kept running.
Under 3 minutes to go in what has been a closely fought ball game. Here's Holper to beat. It scores off the glass.
Hi, Holper.
Nice move for the big man, no? Coming from the outside.
Balik sa tatlo ang abante ng Ginebra as Catley uncorks. May humawak. Nawakan itong si Aris Dimaunahan.
Foul number 16, Paul Artadi.
Si Artadi ang tatawagan ng foul is first. Kanina para sa penalty ang Ginebra. This is a confident move by Mike Holper.
And this guy, si Aris Dimaunahan, Nico will be able to provide, no? Like what he did. Mas scrappy play na gano'n. Offensive rebound. Malaki siyang point guard. So he has an advantage over the smaller point guards in the league. You see his numbers, no? Not that impressive. The Air 21 hoping to get a better playing time dito sa Coca-Cola. And Coca-Cola, of course, seeing his potential, giving him a 2-year contract.
Well, certainly, given the present needs of the Tigers, mahalaga sa kanila na perhaps to invest natural point guard like Aris Dimaunahan. And speaking of Dimaunahan, siya tinawagan ng kanyang first personal foul. Kaya po nasa free throw line si Eric Meng.